I built a £3 million portfolio at age 27 by using the BRRR strategy. I'm about to break down how to do this with cash, financing, and how to actually find and invest in the right properties that will make the most money using the BRRR strategy. So sit back, take out a pen and paper, and let's jump into the blueprint of making £1 million in this industry. Let's get the biggest conception out of the way here. People think if I save £100,000 and buy a house outright, I'll be on my way to £1 million. No, that's slow and outdated thinking. If you buy in cash, you buy a £100,000 property, you have one property and you have one rental income stream. You get one uplift and you scale painfully slow. You will not get to £1 million before 2030 this way. It's just not realistic. Using bridging or investor finance is exactly where you're going to begin to really start to scale this. For example, you have £100,000 to invest. Cash method, you buy one property. Bridging method, you use a £25,000 deposit. You buy a property with a bridge, you refurb it, you refinance it, you pull your money out. You do it again. With 100K, you can often buy up to 3 properties, not just one. This is how investors BRRR their way to £1 million. They recycle that same pot of cash over and over. Instead of buying one property, renovating it, and then refinancing in 6 to 8 months, savvy investors are utilizing bridging finance or investor finance to purchase more and more at speed to grow their portfolio faster. If you want to build to a £1 million portfolio by 2030, you're going to have to get creative with funding these projects, whether you use cash or investor finance. Using other people's money to purchase deals is another incredible tool, and once you understand how to do this, your portfolio will expand exponentially. The winners have built teams, and having a team is going to make this progress so much simpler for you. Getting to 1 million on your own is doable if you're a handyman, but if you want to get there faster by 2030, a solid team is a must. People you need on your side. Your essential team, a broker who understands how to use bridging, a reliable solicitor, builders who know how to deliver fast and clean renovations. A £10,000 refurb can turn to a £30,000 uplift, but only with the right builder. A lot of builders get a bad name due to the fact there are some really bad ones out there. Building a long-term working relationship with a builder is so important and will save you thousands in the long run. You also want to be able to pass your job to someone who you trust and is on your side and not trying to take every single penny away from you. The fastest way to fail in BRRR is buying the wrong property. The fastest way to succeed is building relationships and understanding how to spot value. You must know how to find discounted properties, how to spot motivated sellers, how to analyze renovation costs, how to negotiate, how to build relationships with agents, and how to move quickly. There are many ways to get great BRRR deals, but I believe the best place to get these deals is initially going to be straight through estate agents. Over time, when you purchase a couple of deals from an agent and they understand that you are serious, this is where you'll begin to have your own house personal shopper. They'll be offering you deals left, right, and center. Over the last 4 years, I've built great relationships with agents, resulting in me picking up some amazing deals. Deals that no one else had access to, or other deals that have fallen through with other buyers, and the agents then have given me first refusal. Now, let's talk numbers. To realistically hit £1 million before 2030, you need 7 to 10 BRRR properties, depending on the area and the uplift potential, depending on rental yields, depending on how much cash you have to start. Why 7 to 10? Because each BRRR typically gives you anything from £20,000 to £30,000 equity uplift, £250 to £400 monthly cash flow. Multiply that over a portfolio of 7 to 10 properties, £200,000 to £300,000 uplift, 2 to 4K per month income, plus capital appreciation over 5-6 years, you're now going to be leveraging and multiplying your net worth. That's how the total £1 million is going to be hit. Repeating this system 7 to 10 times, not just once. That's exactly how you're going to grow your property portfolio. This strategy is the most lucrative way to build generational wealth. But now you know the step-by-step guide to build £1 million portfolio by 2030. You need to watch my entirely free course where I completely take apart the BRRR strategy. So watch this video next and discover how you can actually implement this the right way.